Hello DC21 scholars, this is your Week 2 introduction for English 1 Semester 2, Quarter 4. This week we will be introducing our Unit 1. First and foremost, make sure you open your Google Calendar and accept your invite to our Period 2 or Period 4 class session. They are on Tuesday, April 28th and Thursday, April 30th. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do a brief overview of assignments 1 through 4, which appear in Google Classroom. All right, assignment 1, we will be going over the Unit 1 big question. You'll have a video and or slides for you to look at. While you're watching the video or going through the slides, please make sure you're opening your Google Doc for the guided notes and quick write. Those are both on the same Google Doc. You will be turning those in at the end of that lesson. Next, assignment 2, story structure and coming of age. There is again another Google Doc, a brief vocabulary activity where there are 6 academic vocabulary words that you will be paraphrasing, writing into a sentence, or giving an example of. Also on that document, you will pre-read your text-dependent questions for our first shared reading, which will be presented with a text and video first read of the short story Names Nombres by Julia Alvarez or Julia Alvarez, depending on how you pronounce that. Assignment 3. Similar, if not exactly the same, as our homophone practice from last week. There is a Google Doc. You'll identify the correct use of the homophone and choose and explain which quote is your favorite. Last but not least is your assignment 4 is a journal week 2 activity. There will be a Google Doc, and you're going to choose 1 to 10 prompts and respond. Before you turn in that journal activity, please make sure that you've written a minimum of 10 sentences. All right, that was our brief introduction to week 2. So once again, I want to remind you to please open your Google Calendar as soon as you get off this video and accept your invite to our Period 2 or Period 4 class sessions, which are Tuesday and Thursday. And that was our brief overview, introduction of assignments 1 through 4. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all in class. Have a great day.